Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to INFINITI of Nashua, we have the 2014 Lexus LX 570. Now this is the Mac Daddy. This is the biggest SUV that Lexus offers, and if I'm not mistaken, it is based off of the Land Cruiser. So once we work inside, you will see just how many hidden or off-road based features there are. It is absolutely amazing. Now obviously you can see barn door style doors, and you just drop that down like so. Now what is really cool is how all this works. The mats are here so it won't fully latch into place, but to drop the seat you do this, and that drops the seat like so. And obviously same for the other side, you just have to, and then there are straps on the back side of the seat to pull the seat up. To drop them, you just push the buttons here. Oh, I shut the power door off, I'm an idiot. Now, you might be wondering what on earth this is. Well, this is the remote for the back seat televisions. Obviously you can go in here and you can put your own. So let's say you don't like the fact that your parents listen to country and you want to listen to hip-hop. You use these headphones that are still in the bubble wrap, never been opened. Put these on and you can sit there, watch a movie with your headphones on. You can listen to Sirius XM radio. If there's a CD in there, you can listen to the CD. So pretty darn cool. That gives you so much options. Because this is a luxury vehicle, you of course have ashtrays in the doors. So I'm gonna go ahead, shut those off. I'm actually gonna leave the remote right in there. It was in the glove box, but all right, we'll start here. Headlight washers. When the headlights are on, you go ahead, clean the headlights. Adaptive front steering for the headlights. Heated steering wheel, of course. I still don't have any clue what that does, but rear, I want to say that's cross traffic alert, transfer case lock. You do have ECT. You can set it to power or a second gear start. Sunglasses holder, sunroof. And here's where we start getting into some stuff that's really freaking crazy. So you're gonna push down, should drop it into low. And then you have multi-terrain select. You have mud and sand, and you just use this to kind of go through them. So you have rock and dirt, mogul, loose rock, mud and sand. However, if you turn on crawl and you put it into drive, press crawl again, this turns into your speed setting. So I know it's really not ideal to use this. So my foot's off the brake and it's gonna keep its speed. You also do have a trail turn assist where it's gonna lock the inside rear tire to help rotate you around on a trail. Obviously that's only meant for off-road. So I'm gonna get us out of for low. And then you of course have the air suspension, which is going to go up and down. We're in normal. It has entry, exit, and then high. These are your suspension settings. So you have comfort, normal, sport. We're going to go with normal. So there is a ton of stuff that I've only learnt once I've spent time with it. Also, like this, where you have, much like some German cars, dual visors. So there are a lot of things in this car that you would only know if you spent time with it. And that's some of it. We're powered by a 5.7 liter V8, of course, LX 570, 5.7 liter. Being a 2014, this was all constructed in like 2015, so not fully updated in the navigation system, but whatever. This car is very, very clean. 73,000 miles. Drives like a dream. And I know what you might be thinking, air suspension. I was worried about the same exact thing. Customer had it replaced a year ago. So hey, look at that. And it still works like a charm. Horn. Yeah, this thing is absolutely amazing. I love it. It's so smooth, especially drop this into comfort. It's such a supple ride for a body on frame SUV. It is absolutely amazing. And you also have just the power when you want it. I do have to figure out exactly what everything stands for. ECT, I want to say electronically controlled throttle or something like that. I have to look up every single abbreviation meeting. MTS, multi-terrain select, I got that one mainly because it tells me. It looks like salt. I was getting so worried. No, it's just rock. We had a freezing rain yesterday and I was hoping they didn't put salt down. It doesn't look like they did. I want to say this is the same 5.7 that's in the Tundra of this era. Sounds the exact same, so I want to say it is. First time in an LX 572 of any year. It's just really, really, really cool. Are you kidding me? It's parallel parking. Wow. Okay. I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.